Hello students, I am Dr. Tasleem Ahmad War, Professor at the Department of English, University of Kashmir, and I present to you a 2-credit massive open online course titled Soft Skills. Academic qualifications and technical knowledge are not enough in today's competitive world. What sets you apart is your ability to communicate well, collaborate, solve problems, adapt to change and manage your emotions. These are called soft skills and are very important for success in personal and professional life. This course will help you develop practical strategies to improve your communication, leadership, teamwork and interpersonal skills. Join us on this exciting journey of growth and self-discovery.